Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. In that tutorial we're just gonna learning really something special in Adobe Photoshop. So if you are new in Adobe Photoshop, if you don't have knowledge, no stress. If you learn our tutorials one by one, you can learn how to do that and how to use it. And now today's class we are just gonna learning these tools. So these tools is name is object selection tools, quick selection tools and magic wand tools. So this is really easy and massive, and this is really helpful if you want to be make any kind of transparent background. For example, if you want to be just make your background transparent, and if you want to be just to do that in that tools, you can really do it really easy techniques. So let's do that. So in here we have the object selection tool. So what is the object? So in that image, this is the background and this is this woman is the object. So now before we have to select it one by one for full object, and then we have to copy it and then paste it. But now Adobe Photoshop have a smart object selection tools, so they can really just cut any kind of object in click. So how to do that? So very first we have to this just selected it object selection tool, and now we have to just make a rectangles just select marking the object, which object you want to select. Just select it and boom, and then press the Ctrl C and Ctrl V for the paste. Ctrl C for the copy and Ctrl V for the paste. And you see that if I unhide this layer panel, just in this layer panel and also this transparent background layer panel, you see our background is automatically removed. So this is really easy and simple technique. So this is it. So let's focus on the magic wand tools. So magic wand tools, the magic wand tools actually they read just color. What color you wanna select it, they just automatically selected every single color you just need. So for example, in here this background is yellow. So if I just click the yellow part, they just automatically click your all this yellow background. If you just click the backspace or enter, it automatically remove your background in one click. So this isn't really special. So in that how you just make any kind of images transparent really easy. So now comes to point, that is quick selection tools. I know I'm a bit pretty faster, but this I'm going to be this class so much interesting. So now will be quick selection tool. What is the quick selection tool? So in here we have a page like this. So we want to select this book page. We want to make it mock-up. So we are just gonna select this only this page. So in that how we just how to do that, this quick selection tool. If you press the click, it just selected, automatically selected. And if you press this alter, and if you see just click, and if you press the alter, it will deselect your part. But if you want to be select like everything, just shift, press the shift button, it will be just selected your every single part. So in that how you will be selected your everything pressing shift. So if you want to select this everything, so press the shift. So this is it. So now comes to point. So if you want to just you just selected it, you don't want to select it. So how to deselect it? So if you want to be deselect it, and how to do that? Just click this rectangle marquee tools. Just click this rectangle marquee tools and just click it, and it will be gone. This is really simple. So if you don't want to select it, if you want to delete this selected area option, how to do that? So in here this rectangular marquee tools, just click it and it will be automatically gone. So in here we have this quick selection tools. I press the shift like this and just boom. So I press the shift and selected it, and then Ctrl C for the copy, Ctrl V for the paste. So we have this layer paste option in here. Now we just wanna take a rectangular like this, in a like a paste shape. Okay, now we have an option like in that we have this layer like this. Just press the right button, you have a pop-up page like this, and you have to press convert into smart object. So in here just press the Ctrl T. Again I told that Ctrl T for the free transformation tool. Just press the right button, click the right button, and in here we have this option skew. In here option that's known as skew. So just marking here one by one like this page. So now it's gone. Now we have a shape. We have to make it like a fulfill book page shape. So how to do that? Just In here we just skew, make it skew it. Now we have to turn it to option, then warp. So if you select this warp option, if you have like a selection bar like that, so if you can, you can select, just it's totally depend on you how you make it more perfect and more smoother. So like that, it's gone. So we have this option. So now I'm going to tell it, this yellow page, this is the smart object now. So you remember I do it, I convert this layer into turn into smart object. Then I just double click in here, we get a page like this. Now if you have a page like this and just press the control S for this, save it. So if you save like this, if it you see it's really automatically selected in your book shape. So in that how you can make your mockup in the click. So isn't today's class really special and really learning and so much effective? I think this worth your time, and in that class you just learn a lot of things. And please practice, make a man perfect. So please try to practice more and more so you can learn it easily and you will be really genius. So what are you waiting for? And don't forget to press the subscribe button. If you do that, we can make our family bigger. So let's do that. And thank you so much for your valuable time, and see you another class.